Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken and rice with cream of mushroom soup. This comforting dish is incredibly simple and uses common pantry items. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1½ pounds of boneless, skinless chicken, 1 can of cream of mushroom soup, and 1½ cups of uncooked long-grain white rice. Also, have 1¾ cups of chicken broth, 1/2 cup of chopped onion, and a dash of black pepper on hand. It's a perfect meal for any weeknight. Now let's get everything ready for the oven. Begin by preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, lightly grease a 9 by 13-inch baking dish to prevent sticking. In the prepared dish, combine your uncooked rice, chicken broth, and the chopped onion. Give it a good stir. Then, mix in the entire can of cream of mushroom soup until it's thoroughly blended with the rice mixture. Finally, arrange your chicken pieces evenly on top of this creamy rice base. It's time to bake this delicious meal. Cover your baking dish tightly with aluminum foil. This helps steam the rice and ensures even cooking. Place it in your preheated oven and bake for 45 minutes. After this initial baking period, carefully remove the foil. Continue baking for another 15 to 20 minutes, or until the chicken is cooked through and reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. The rice should be perfectly tender and have absorbed all the flavorful liquid. Once your chicken and rice is out of the oven, let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. This brief resting period is crucial. It allows the flavors to fully meld and the rice to finish absorbing any remaining liquid, ensuring a perfect texture. For a touch of freshness, consider garnishing with some fresh chopped parsley or chives. This comforting dish pairs wonderfully with a simple green salad or some steamed green beans. Enjoy this warm, satisfying meal with your loved ones.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.